Wow, this wind is brisk. Holy crap.
Hey guys! Hey guys! Didn't do it.
Cindy, why, I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, and I don't know why I'm talking like this.
I think we were visiting production. We should probably get to the Emerald Doctor's office.
That's a whole lot of nonsense, but okay. Onward! Woo. So, I'm thinking we should probably split up to find this place you're talking about, the Emerald Cloud of Enchanted Doctor's Offices, or whatever you said?
Yeah, definitely. That, I've seen plenty of scary movies that always work out.
Yeah, so let's just split up.
Yeah.
I'll go this
All
way.
right. See you later. Exorcist. He'll get repossessed.
Who got his left side cut off? He's all right now. Oh my god! I found you! Oh my god!
Hi! Told you this was a good idea.
Yeah! Like an open door! Let's go!
Ha ha ha, ho ho ho, and a couple of tra-la-las. That's how we laugh a day away in the merry old land of Oz. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Hello.
Hello there.
Who are you?
I am Linda, the best witch. Not to be confused with my sister, Linda, the good witch.
Ah, okay. And why did you just suddenly appear before us?
Oh, I'm here to help you.
With what?
You need to get to the doctor's office, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to help. Munchkins!
Munchkins? Oh, okay. Aren't munchkins supposed to be a little bit smaller?
Nah, it's not how we roll, you know. That's why we hate Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, Dunkin' Donuts. They were the little ones after us. Yeah.
Anyways, I need you to take them to Emerald City.
Yeah.
You'll get your coffee money later.
Let's go then.
Bye. So, this is where the Emerald Doctor's office is.
I knew it.
Do you have an appointment?
No.
No appointment? Get out.
We're kind of here on an emergency.
I'm right here, you know.
Oh, hi. Creepy figure.
Face. It's a face. I am Dr. Emerald. Great name, huh? I came up with it myself.
Huh. Okay. Hologram. Right.
Makes perfect sense.
What brings you to my doctor's office?
Well, you must know we're here because we kind of had an accident and now we're having these weird delusions and...
Have you taken any suspicious drugs lately?
No. I don't remember what happened.
How about regular drugs?
No, I don't think so. I don't remember.
You might be Tom Cruise.
Oh my God, you do. No, you are Tom Cruise.
Yes, yes I am. Pay no attention to the noises you hear.
What's that?
Don't go in that closet. Don't look at that closet. There's no closet. It's not a closet.
Hey guys!
You're not Tom Cruise.
Oh my God, who are you?
How could you?
I'm the doctor. What kind of doctor are you, being in like a corner?
Don't come any closer.
Why?
I have a striking stick and I'm not afraid to use it.
Go ahead! What happened?
It was a dream.
You were dreaming?
Maybe.
But Dana
I don't know.
was there. She...
Hey guys. I found my friend Mike and he said he'll help us with the shoot. I'll show you him right now. Isn't he great?
But you were in the dream, and you were still there,
But again.
and it was you the whole time.
Yeah, except for those 2 munchkins.
What? Bye.
You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. You'll find he is a wizard, a whiz, if ever a whiz there was. If ever a whiz there was, the Wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. You're off to see the wizard.